bright yellow.
Yo, what's up, guys? It's been a while. It's been way too long. But yeah, for today's video, we're gonna work on Ricky's car. I think he has some cool parts that we have right here. Some Skunk 2 camera arms. But these were the fronts.
Yep.
Yeah. And then he also has some coilovers. Not in here, but yeah. And here's Ricky's car. A little bit of an update about the place. You know, we've been really busy. For the Z, Dan got some parts for it. We're gonna put it back together and hopefully get it up and running by summertime. As you can see here, Dan got some bolts, hardware kit for it.
This is a stainless steel bolt kit.
Where'd you get it from?
The car garage, I think.
Okay, I'll link them right here. And then, yeah, over here we got Ricky's coilovers. Skunk 2. And look what we have here. Some ZR10s. Right. It's gonna be for the Z. But yeah. 370Z. So we're gonna get up on jack stands and get to work. Alright, so here's everything laid out. We got the coils over here. And we got the little camber arms over here. Yeah, and we gotta adjust them real quick because they became preloaded.
I found the one, even online too.
Oh yeah, here's how it sits. This car been sitting for like what, 10 years you said?
Yeah, they had it sitting for a while.
Yeah, well yeah, it's been through a lot within the past 2 years. Oh yeah, so we're gonna take it off and see how we're gonna install it. But yeah, you can see a little bit of leak in here, so a good thing we're changing out the ball joints up here and thing in the arms. Oh yeah, it's leaking up here hella bad too, so that's good that we're changing it. What we're doing right now, we're trying to take out the upper arm, and yeah, we just take out the brake hose right here. So the goal is we're gonna take this apart, pop off the ball joints, and get the shit out. So yeah. I guess yeah, just record random shit.
Pretty much what Dan does, huh?
We gotta get your shock out.
Yeah.
There we go.
Do the same thing over here.
Yeah.
And there you go.
Tighten down the bushings on the controller.
Oh.
Because once they're in, you can't get to those bolts.
Little pro tip. Okay.
You guys putting in work?
Not really, man. Well, yeah,
In there, right?
yeah. Slowly.
One side of the front is done. We got all of it. That's big. We brought the big guns today.
Big guns.
Looking pretty sweet. Rims. Badass.
You gotta put that in there?
Badass one.
You had to,
More of a whistle.
work on our cars, something always go wrong.
Bro. So we're
As you
doing
can
oil
see-
change. It's never just an oil
As you
change.
can see, these are the rears for the car. Look over here. Yeah, that's the issue. But I'm thinking it might be for the EF, but they're all the same chassis. So
It's the fucking 88. So when
Yeah.
it went to 89, shit changed.
so you probably got the 89, huh?
This was supposed to be for the 88.
That's probably a late model production.
Oh, okay. 88, but it's an older 9.
88, but it's a late model production, so it switches back.
Shit.
Serious. Washers.
You tell me, man, whatever the best option is.
Dude, there's really no way you can fucking like mod this unless you...
Yeah, replace the whole control.
Unless you put-
Yeah, so the issue is the little fork right here. The one that Ricky bought, the Skunk 2, is like an actual fork that's go in between. So we did a little bit of research. If we change out the LCAs from I think 89 and up, it should be able to fit the coils that Ricky bought. So we're gonna try that and see if it works. Most likely it will, but yeah. So yeah, we'll get back to you guys. Well, all right, guys. So
yeah.
here's the new LCAs we got. These are from the what, 91 EF,
I want to say 90 or 91.
91 EF. So the one that we had on doesn't fit.
Late model?
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty low.
Yeah, it's hella low, dude.
Put the wheel on.
Well, is this as low as it goes? We should have started
these are
with as high as
15.
it goes.
Wait.
Those are like, it was meant to be on 13.
Max it out? Not max it
So what, I had to get bigger wheels?
No, you just have to readjust your shit. Like, dude, once it gets on the ground,
and then people get inside?
yeah, dude, that's just gonna be dropped to the floor, dude. And then you drop it down and just put it in reverse.
Not even Chivas, bro. I'm telling you.
Oh, man.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it's been a while, bro. I know we like.
It's good.
We have to push the fenders a little bit.
Yeah, dude. Like
Like with that.
We're missing.
You want to push them out?
Yeah.
I don't feel like it's gonna scrape though.
Aubameyang or whatever.
It's
his name
it
is.
doesn't look like it. It
Back.
doesn't look like it. It looks like it's gonna
They
scrape.
got a good, or not Rashford.
Yeah, Max.
And I like
Holy shit!
Like, Bayerine, you know that
I'm
guy?
thinking Robin there.
Yeah.
He's hella swaggy, which I like about him.
E-man? Oh, shit.
He can't just pull up.
How's it going?
You ready to go mountain biking?
Of course, dog. Since 93.
Oh, you brought your pooch.
Yeah, of course. She goes everywhere.
Oh, yeah.
She's my emotional support animal. She goes wherever I go.
Oh, what the fuck is this?
Hey, come back.
Which one?
And she's spayed?
I know this one. I don't know that one though.
Come here.
We just had this conversation, bro. What the fuck? How you doing?
All right, so what's going down? What's going down?
We got adjust spring preload.
Yeah, how are you doing that?
The JDM way.
All right.
Mine.
Alright, hey, what's up, guys?
No.
Yo, since you got a couple drinks in you, do you want to tell us about your car?
Dude, I almost didn't make it.
Hey, see? Hey.
Yeah.
I mean, what's
Someone
going
called
on?
in at fucking 5
It's an RS. So what have you done to it?
RS, just the basic arrow, side skirt, diffuser. I had a front splitter, but that shit blew off on the highway.
Oh.
I gotta get some shit at some point though. Maybe we can install it.
Nice.
What you think?
Let's do it. I mean, you see how professional we are here.
Oh yeah, definitely. Nothing will come off in the highway or anything, you know?
No. For sure.
Yeah, we installed everything on the bottom, so
Looks
I don't know.
clean.
Everything
I already have muscles.
kind of messed up how my front splitter came off, but whatever.
Right here.
I think I need to go on bags. Big bags is the way. Bags for sure.
So you want to go like?
Install the bags, right?
Yeah. Max has bags. Then we had.
Yeah, we did too. This one, and then we
we
took it
did.
off.
Yeah, and then we raised it. The Genesis.
Hey, you can park in the dirt if almost right.
Yeah, man.
All right. So you got pretty much stock, he says. Nice. Oh, okay. I need some light.
Pretty much stock.
Yeah, seriously, you are just doing Grim Speed.
A little bit of everything.
So you were saying aftermarket radiator?
Yeah. Coil?
Coil radiator. What else did you say you have?
Oh, downpipe, intercooler,
And
exhaust. That's it, bro. It's in that.
overflow.
Oh, that's the. Oil separator? Like one of the first things you gotta do to a Subaru.
Seriously?
Is that?
You gotta do this one right here. And just like ins and outs, right? Like
Yeah, man,
little
honestly.
bits.
That
Like-
thing really big.
So you're just like OEM on the tune?
Basic. On the Cobb tune.
What suspension you running?
Function forms, type 2s.
Nice.
Saving up for some bags later.
All right, back again. It's day 3. Day 3, yeah. We're gonna go back and tighten up the brake lines because, well, we forgot to do it, and that should be pretty much it. And do a test drive and see how she rides. This car's been sitting here for a while, so been dying to get it back on the road.
Oh, really?
Do you feel like it's slower?
Hell yeah. It does feel lower.
Dude, it feels nicer, dude. So everything's tucked in.
Oh, you got your rear view camera right here.
Yes, sir. Let's see if it pops up. Yeah.
You get to reverse with the.
That's straight right there. Take a left again.
Take a right.
Oh,
Shit. All right. That needs to go higher.
that was the first test. I don't even want to look.
All right, so we just got back from the test drive. What do you think about it, Dan?
Right smooth.
Did you like it, Ricky?
Yeah, oh yeah. Better,
Dude,
better than I thought I was gonna do.
Rubs
it's
a little
pretty
bit
good.
like it's supposed to. It's tucking.
yeah, he was rubbing a little bit when he was turning, but I actually kind of like the camera how it sits right now.
Looks cool.
To be honest, if you want to, you could drop it like maybe like an inch, maybe 2 inch.
Yeah.
But that'd be too low.